Hello guys, welcome back to a new video and welcome back to a poorly me. I've got a cold and a sore throat, so I apologise if I sound a bit weird in this video. In today's video, I want to make one quick note about it. I haven't found any editing software yet, but to make this video I'm going to see if I can find some and make the editing of this a little better. If not, then you're just going to have to make do with whatever I come out with. I've been suggested a bit of editing software from someone that I follow on Instagram that I've been talking to lately, who's recently started YouTube as well. So I will leave a link to her description down below, and I'll also display her name here. So yeah, go give her a subscribe, go and give her a follow on Instagram as well. But she's the one that has suggested some editing software that I could possibly use, so I'm going to try and find it and try and use it. But anyway, without further ado, let's jump on to today's video. So, if you can't already tell by the title and thumbnail of this video, today's video is going to be to do with where the Yaris is now. It's a sore subject, but hopefully it's a good subject. So as you guys are aware, I've had the Colt about a month now, which means that the Yaris has been gone about a month. And the Yaris has undergone some pretty sweet changes. If I've got the editing software that I want, you'll be seeing probably pictures of it rotating as I talk now. If not, then, you know, I'm going to probably pause the video at various points just to display some pictures. So yeah, the Yaris has undergone some changes within the first, I can't remember how long they said, I think it was within the first 18 hours. The car had a semi-engine rebuild, new wheels put on it, new suspension put on it, new exhaust put on it, new headlights put on it, new tail lights put on it, a custom speedometer display thing that the new person has, and to be fair, it looks pretty sick now. I really like how it looks. So yeah, it's been put into good hands, thankfully. The person that has my Yaris had a Yaris but blew the engine up twice, so he's bought another one because he can't be asked to keep on fixing his one. So yeah, it's had quite a bit of work done. It's also got quite a bit of work planned for it as well, by the sound of things. It sounds like it's going to be undergoing basically a full restoration. I've heard plans that they're going to wrap it white as well, which means that it's probably going to look pretty good. I've seen a white Vitz RS Turbo, and it looks pretty sweet. So, you know, hopefully the Yaris would look pretty sweet being white as well. What else has been done to it? It's also lost all its stickers as well. There are no more stickers on the car, which is quite sad because I like my stickers, but it looks good. It looks good. It's got some really decent mods done to it. It's on £1,000 BC Racing coilovers, for God's sake. It's on some XXR alloys. It's got the JDM LED crystal tail lights, which is a mod that I wanted to do to that car since day one of me owning it, but they are so expensive, it's unreal. So yeah, it's in good hands so far. Until we get to the point that I'm now going to discuss and show the pictures right very now. So as you can see, it's in a bush. It's bush / hedge. It's got no front end on it, barely. This broke me when I got sent these pictures. Absolutely broke me. Because I love that little thing. I do regret selling it. And to see it in that state, it hurts. It really does hurt. I mean, I got sent the pictures, I looked at the pictures, and I'm not going to lie, I cried. But let me explain what happened. So he was driving along and he had a blowout. The blowout put him in a bush and did the damage, as you can see by the pictures. I do apologise, them pictures aren't very clear. It was taken in the dark, as you could probably tell. So yeah, he had a blowout, put the Yaris in some bushes, ripped the front bumper off of it. He busted both the radiators, so that'd be the AC radiator, the normal radiator. I think he did some hoses as well, I think. Obliterated the front bumper, done the bonnet in. Yeah, he did some pretty bad damage to it. But also I've spoke to him about it, and it, like I said, it sounds like it's going in for a full restoration anyway, which will be pretty good. I can't wait to see that. I do plan to do a few more of these update videos as time goes by. So hopefully I'll be sent new pictures, and hopefully I'll be able to stay in contact with the person himself. In fact, what I'm going to do is over in this corner here, I'm going to leave his Instagram. Fingers crossed he uploads to Instagram with progress of the Yaris. I know he's put a couple of pictures up already, which are pictures that you've already seen. But yeah, there's his Instagram in this corner. Go give him a follow if you want to see where the Yaris goes. I'm also going to talk to him as well to see if he can upload regularly with progress of the Yaris, or just chuck some general pictures up so you guys can keep in touch with it, because you know I'm following the build, I'm following him on Instagram and all that, and I can't wait to see what happens with it, to be fair. When I first got sold the car, I think I've already said this as well, it sounds like they was going to bring it back down this way at some point for me to take a look at. Whether that's still going to happen or not, I don't know, but if that don't happen, then hopefully I'll have more pictures to show as time goes by and as the build goes. But yeah, I'm sort of excited for the Yaris, but sort of really upset that I didn't keep it. The cult just don't feel the same. It don't give me the same buzz, but saying that, it is broken at the moment. But yeah, like I regret getting rid of that car big time. Really, really regret getting rid of it. Because it was my first car, and it wasn't bad for a first car, to be fair. But yeah, the Colt, it's okay, but it don't give me the buzz that I wanted it to. It don't feel as special as the Yaris did. I know it sounds pretty weird, because both of them cars are like sub £1,000 cars, maybe around the £1,000 mark. But the Yaris did feel a little more special. It felt more lively as well. But we'll see what happens once the Colt's done. The Colt will be done start March. I'm aiming for it to be done. I've managed to save a ton of money this month as well, so all the necessary work that needs to be done should be able to be done to it to get it back on the road properly. And I should have boost back and should be able to make some exciting content if I don't decide to sell it. Because that's still playing on my mind as well. I don't know whether to just get it working and get it gone, or to get it working and enjoy it. I don't know. But only time will tell. So, thank you guys very much for watching today's video. Be sure that you like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.